Hey, what's up guys, I'm back with another unboxing video, and today I have the all new Vivo V70. And guys, and this is a high-end mid-range smartphone that we have only from Vivo, and this phone is costing around 1,70,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. So in this price range we have a 12 GB of RAM with a 256 GB of internal storage, and the color I have is the gray color. And this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan, and this phone is powered by same. We have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 SoC inside the Vivo V70, so we don't have any upgrade in terms of the processor wise. So here's a box of the Vivo V70. Once again, we have a co-engineered with Zeiss. We also have a lot of AI features as well, and this Vivo V70 is give you original voice right out of the box. So really excited to see what is Vivo has you offer in this Vivo V70. So once again I have the gray color. So now let's quickly remove the plastic with my knife, and also with the Vivo V70 we also have an upgrade in terms of the camera wise, slight improvement. So when you open the box, so here is a Vivo V70 in the box. So now let's start the phone from this box like this. So you can see here is the Vivo V70 looks like. So once again I have the gray color. So here's the gray color looks like. So you can see on the back we have a matte finish, and the back it is made up of glass, and the frame also it is made up of aluminium. So we can see the antenna bands. So now let's quickly boot this phone up, and the side it is much more rounded as compared to the Vivo V60. Also this time we have flat AMOLED display. So inside the box, except the phone, we have our silicone case, which is a transparent one, and also we have our warranty card stuff as well as the quick start guide. So here is the 90-watt super fast charger we have inside the box. So this phone maximum support 90-watt as well, USB-A port, and we also have USB-A to USB-C cable, and here is a SIM injection tool inside the box. So now let's put all these things to the side. Let's look at the Vivo V70 first. Now this is the physical overview. So on the bottom we have our speaker. Looks like we have two microphones, and here is the one more microphone, and here is a SIM tray. So looks like we have three microphones on the bottom. So you can see we have a 2 nano SIMs support. We don't have any micro SD card support, and this phone also has a IP69 water and dust resistance, which you expect in this price range. Also on the back, as you can see, we have triple cameras. We have 50 megapixel OIS main camera. We also have 8 megapixel ultra wide, and lastly we have 50 megapixel, which is a telephoto lens, which give you a 3x optical zoom with OIS as well. So on the front we have 50 megapixel selfie camera inside the center punch hole. So now let's talk about the display. So this phone has a gorgeous looking 6.59 inch over Full HD plus AMOLED, which can produce up to 1 billion colors as well. Also we have 120 Hz refresh rate with the center punch hole overall, and the forehead, even the bottom chin, it is really small on the Vivo V70. Also this phone has a 6500 mAh battery size, and the weight balance of this phone it is excellent. I did not feel any heft, so which is a very good thing. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Vivo V70. So here are the pre-installed apps we have inside the Vivo V70. So we have some apps and some games which looks like already installed. So here's the notification panel looks like. Once again we have Origin OS. So here is the max brightness, and the display I would say looks extremely bright, especially in this lighting conditions. So you will not see any issue at all in terms of the brightness wise. So here's the notification panel. We also have our NFC, and first thing we have a new ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner. So before we have an optical one, and now we have ultrasonic, which is much faster, and now you can use the fingerprint scanner with wet hands as well. So let's go to the settings, and now let's see the Android version. So about phone, and this one is running on latest Android 16 as expected. Also we have Origin OS version 6. We have a 6500 mAh battery size once again. Also we have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 SoC. So now let's see the internal storage. So this phone has a 256 out of we have 226 GB. It is available for you guys. So let's go back, and now let's go to the battery section. So inside the battery health, so we have 100% battery health, which is a good thing. We also have fast charging option, which is disabled by default. Let's go to the display area, and let's see the refresh rate settings. So you can see we have 120 Hz on default, it is on the smart, and also inside the screen resolution on default it is on the HD, but I will use the Ultra HD. So Ultra HD will look more good on this VIVO V70. Snapdragon 7 Gen 4, as expected, it is a really fast SoC, and from the last 3 generations we have same Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 SoC. So it is really optimized, I would say, for Vivo phones. So now let's look at the camera, so which is the main highlight of this VIVO V70. So here is the main camera looks like. 1x is the ultra wide, and here is the 3x optical zoom. We also have our 10x, which goes all the way up to 100x, which is a really good thing. So here is the portrait mode, which is also available with the different options as well, maximum 100 mm. Here is the night mode, which is also available with the ultra wide, even with the telephoto lens. So here is the video mode. We also have a stabilization mode because we also have OIS, and the back camera maximum shoot we have 4K at 60 fps, and 4K at 60 fps. We also have a stabilization. Turn off the video stabilization wise, you will see a wider field of view. So in the mode section we also have our high resolution mode, Ultra HD, slow motion, super mode, Astro, even the Pro mode also available, and the dual video mode also available, which uses the back camera as well as the front facing camera at the same time. So let's look at the front facing camera. So this phone also has a 50 megapixel selfie camera. On default it is on the classic, so I will use the classic. So looks like we have 50 megapixel, which is also really wide as well. Let's take one picture, and now let's see the, so you can see in the camera it's done an excellent job on my face, and sharpness it is also really high. It's a portrait, night mode also available. So let's see the resolution with the back camera. Once again we have 4K at 60 fps even with the front facing camera, and on the front looks like we don't have any ultra steady mode like we have on the back camera. And the slow motion, it is actually available or not, let's see. Not available with the front facing camera. So now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 6500 mAh battery size. Also we have 90 watt super fast charging, and this phone should give you at least 1.5 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. Or I have to say regarding the VIVO V70 and the design, it is massively improved as compared to the VIVO V60. And also we have an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, but it is still a really good option. But yet right now the price it is a little high. So once the price comes down a little bit under 1,50,000, I would say this phone will be an excellent option for you. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the VIVO V70. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below regarding the VIVO V70, and I will see you in my next video. As always, peace out.